Well, once you find out you're pregnant and you've made a great decision to breastfeed, then what you should do is contact your insurance provider and find out all the benefits that they provide for you. Most of them do cover the cost of a breast pump. They'll give you several choices. If you have questions about that, you can get in touch with someone or talk to your OB provider and see if they have suggestions. They can refer you to a lactation consultant who could talk to you about that. Insurance providers will tell you what you have to do to get your breast pump. Sometimes you need a prescription, other times they'll tell you where to go to get a breast pump. It's always a good idea to bring it to the hospital. Go ahead and get it ahead of time, bring it to the hospital, and then we can help you with it if you're having trouble. Well, every breast pump's kind of a little bit different how to put it together, and the manual for the breast pump will help. But we generally don't need to do a lot of pumping at the hospital, but if we do, it's always nice to have the mother's pump there and we can show her how to use it.